Imagine yourself in this 2005 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear bench seat, front reading lamps, adjustable steering wheel, wheel covers, steel wheels, emergency trunk release, and power door locks. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.